Figma just dropped pattern fills, and you won't believe how easy it is to use them. Go to Figma, select your frame, on the right side panel, click on the Fill section. Now select Pattern, then click Select Source and choose your pattern. Your shape will now be filled automatically with that pattern. If you want to change the pattern, go back to the Fill section in the side panel, then select the second pattern. Your fill will update automatically. You can also click Select Source again and switch to a different pattern whenever you want. To reduce the opacity of the pattern, click the plus icon under Fill. Then change the black color to white. This creates a white overlay. To create a cleaner visual hierarchy, place the white layer below and the pattern layer on top. Now click on the pattern layer and reduce its opacity to 20%. Don't forget to change the white layer's opacity from 20% back to 100% so it blends correctly. You can also adjust the type, scaling, spacing, and alignment based on your preference. If you update the color of the source pattern, it will automatically update the pattern inside the frame in Figma Draw. Similarly, you can update other patterns the same way. Change the scaling, spacing, and alignment to fit your design. Subscribe to PX Mentor for powerful Figma design tips posted regularly.